Navigating Strategic Marketing Research. Welcome to our overview of marketing research. In this unit, we explore how companies connect with consumers through strategic decision-making, strategic pathways, and evaluate if a company is staying on the right track. Because consumers and environments change constantly, organizations must commit to periodic research to remain effective in reaching their target segments. To keep things organized, we follow a systematic 5-step marketing research process. Identify the problem, determine exactly what you are trying to solve, and your specific research questions. Develop the research plan, decide what information is needed and what methods will be used. Conduct research. This involves reviewing existing data and collecting new information. Analyze and report findings. Look for trends, patterns, or correlations in the data. Patterns or correlations in the data. Take action. Use insights to evaluate options and execute course adjustments. Defining the problem and the iceberg principle. Defining the problem is the most critical step. Marketers often use the iceberg principle to ensure they aren't just looking at symptoms, like a drop in sales, but are finding the causes hidden beneath the surface. Your research questions must be clear and specific so the results are actionable. Primary versus secondary research. Next, we look at where data comes from. Secondary research is a great starting point because it uses existing information, saving time and money. Internal secondary data comes from within the company, such as CRM systems, payment systems, and website analytics. Outside sources like government census data or commercial reports from companies like Nielsen. If secondary data has gaps, we move to primary research to collect new specific data. This includes qualitative methods like focus groups and interviews, or quantitative methods like consumer surveys and questionnaires. We also must recognize the growing role of artificial intelligence in collecting data through connected devices like smartwatches and digital assistants. Your approach depends on your goal. There are 3 main research designs. Exploratory, used when very little data is available to explore a new situation. Descriptive, used to describe a specific population or market. The who, what, where, when, and how. Causal, experimental, used to look for cause and effect relationships between variables. Post, once data is collected, it must be verified and processed to avoid biases. During interpretation, the goal is to ensure data validity so that marketing actions are based on high-quality information. Finally, the results are documented in a written report and shared in a formal presentation to help decision-makers adjust the marketing mix, product, price, promotion, and place to better meet consumer needs. By mastering these concepts, you can transform raw data into a powerful strategic advantage. Ready to start?